A very good morning, class 7th. So we were doing our lesson. We are continuing with our lesson conjunctions, that is chapter number 17. Chapter 17, conjunctions, right? And we are discussing about, yesterday we have discussed about the subordinating. So we are doing subordinating conjunctions. Is it clear? So now we are going to, yesterday I gave you the homework that you have to solve it yourself. Exercise number 4, that is on exercise 4 on page number 104. Page 104. So now we are going to do that. Dash, when your turn comes, you may come in. Dash, your turn comes, you may come in. Means when your turn comes, you may come in. When your turn comes, you may come in. Dash, you are asking for it, I must give it. Since you are asking for it, so you may give it. I may give. So I am just giving the answers, right? I don't need to write the whole sentence because it is already in your book. So since you are asking for it, I must give it. I did not attend his wedding because he had not invited me. Because. The rabbit runs faster than the tortoise. Then. So here than will come. I will leave you behind unless you hurry. I will leave you behind unless you hurry. कि जल्दी करो नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें पीछे छोड़ दूंगा. Dash, I feel any doubt, I ask. If I feel any doubt, I ask. I hear, dash, you are emigrating to Canada. I hear that you are emigrating to Canada. Go to the dentist unless lest your tooth should decay. Go to your dentist before your tooth should decay. Before आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Go to the dentist. Purpose है वैसे तो ये. Go to the dentist so that before your tooth decay. Before. Go to the dentist before the tooth decay. Dash, you keep the habit of diary writing, you can improve your writing skills. Dash, you keep the habit of diary writing. If you keep the habit of diary writing, if you keep the habit of diary writing, you can improve. If clause लगेगा यहाँ पे क्योंकि condition है कि if you keep the habit of diary writing, you can improve your writing skills. The lady is dash stubborn. Dash, she doesn't listen to anyone. The lady is so stubborn. The lady is so stubborn that she does not listen to anyone. I had reached home after it started raining. Before. I reached home before it started raining. Before. 12. They waited for a long time, dash, they were called in by the principal. They waited for a long time, although they were though they were called in by the principal. They waited for a long time. They waited for a long time, though they were called in by the principal. Although they waited for a long time, although they were called in. No, they waited for a long time, though they were called in. Before they were called in by the principal. Before भी लग सकता है. Before is more suitable here. They waited for a long time till they were called in. Before. I think it's more suitable. Before. They had reached home since it started raining. I had reached home after it started, before it started raining. I reached home. I had reached home before it started raining. I had reached home before it started raining. They waited for a long time before they were called in by the principal. Kinds of conjunctions. Now we come to the kinds of conjunctions. So, kinds of conjunctions are correlative and compound conjunctions. So, here comes the kinds. So, now we come to the kinds of conjunctions. So, हमारे पास kinds of conjunction में आते हैं correlative and compound. Correlative. Correlative नहीं है, correlative. Correlative conjunctions and the other is compound conjunctions. So, what are correlative conjunctions? They are used in pair. For example, either or, neither nor. ये हमेशा पेयर में यूज होते हैं, अकेले नहीं यूज होते. जैसे कि these are used as either or, neither nor. Then not only but and though. ये इनके पेयर्स हैं. Yet, whether, like this. ठीक है. These are always correlate करते हैं एक दूसरे को, इसलिए हमेशा पेयर्स में रहते हैं. Then इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं either you study or you go to sleep. या आप पढ़ लीजिए, either you study or you, when you have two alternatives, so there you use either and or. And when you have to refuse both the things, then you will use neither nor. Then for example, the shirt is neither pink nor red. कि ना तो वो पिंक है ना ही वो रेड है, मीन्स दोनों तरफ से नो हो गया. I read both Shakespeare and Milton. And but. Though he is rich, yet. दो के साथ भी yet लगता है और दो के साथ whether भी लगता है, yet के साथ. I don't understand whether you agree with me or not. तो whether or. Not only but also. Not only does he work hard but also takes sufficient break. For success we require not only brain but also brawn. Not only is he intelligent but also humble. So all these are used in the pairs. If not only opens a sentence, the helping verb follows it before the subject. अगर not only से हम sentence start कर रहे हैं तो जो हमारा the helping verb है does, it follows before the subject. तो जो हमारा does है वो subject से follow करेगा, means बाद में लगेगा. Now comes the compound. So some compound conjunctions are in order, that, on condition, even if, so that, provided that, as though, in as much as well as soon as, these are compound. The picture was put on the notice board in order that everybody can see and appreciate it. Right? I allow you to go to Goa on the condition if you don't leave your teachers. Right? So these are called the compound conjunctions. Even if he insulted me, I harbor no evil thoughts against him. Even if, हालांकि उसने मुझे इंसल्ट की, बट फिर भी, even if he insulted me, I harbor no evil thoughts for against him. Explain the subject very well to me so that I can get high marks. So that reason दे दिया ना हमने. I continue availing your service provided that you maintain quality. कि मैं आपसे सर्विस लेता रहूँगा. प्रोवाइडेड दैट मीन्स इन केस यू गिव मी द क्वालिटी, मुझे क्वालिटी मिलनी चाहिए. प्रोवाइडेड यू गिव मी द क्वालिटी, आई विल कंटिन्यू अवेलिंग सर्विस फ्रॉम हियर. शी राइट सो वेल एज दो शी इज़ गोइंग टू गेट हर सेल्फ पब्लिश्ड. वो खुद इतना अच्छा लिखती है जैसे कि वो अपने आप को पब्लिश करवाने वाली हो. आई मस्ट नॉट टेक योर प्रॉमिस सीरियसली in as much as I believe to be fancy. I must not take your promise seriously in as much as I believe it to be a fancy means मुझे वो एक, मैं उसको सीरियसली नहीं लेता, वो मैंने उसे नॉन सीरियसली लिया तुम्हारे प्रॉमिस को. सीता एज वेल एज नैन्सी डांसेस वेरी वेल. एज वेल एज सीता के साथ साथ नैन्सी भी. द चिल्ड्रन लेफ्ट द स्कूल एज सोन एज द बेल rang. जितनी जल्दी हो सके, as soon as. If you look as if you were Cinderella in this pink dress, you look as if, तुम ऐसे लग रही हो जैसे कि सिंड्रेला है. तो इनको हम कंपाउंड कंजंक्शंस बोलते हैं. इनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं हमारे in order that, as much as, in as much as, in as much as. Then in order that हमने कर लिया. As well as soon as, as well as soon as, for example, so on. तो ये हमारे दो काइंड्स आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. कोरिलेटिव हमेशा पेयर्स में यूज़ होते हैं, और कंपाउंड जो होते हैं हमारे ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें एक या दो फ्रेज होते हैं. एक दो तीन वर्ड्स को मिलके जो बनते हैं, फ्रेजल से जो होते हैं उनको हम कंपाउंड कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. क्योंकि देखो इसमें 1 2 3 वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं ना, तो ये एक तरह से कंपाउंड हो गया. मीन्स दो तीन वर्ड्स को मिला के जो बना हुआ है वो हम कंपाउंड बोलते हैं. चलिए, नाउ कम टू दिस. टर्न योर पेज एट 106. Yes. Now we come to this exercise number 4. Now we come to exercise number 4. Pages 106. Pages 106. So, first one is fill in the blanks with suitable correlative and compound conjunctions. Dash, you read a book. Dash, do the dishes. Now, here we have to use the correlative or compound. So, either you read a book or you do the dishes. Either or. ठीक है जी. Second one. The girl is interested neither in academics nor in sports. Neither nor. Third one. She speaks dash English dash French. She speaks She speaks not only English but also French. Not only English but also French. Dash Maria is a millionaire. Dash she doesn't help the poor. Though Maria is a millionaire, दो के साथ हम लगाएंगे बट, दो के साथ बट लगा हुआ है, and though Maria is a millionaire, yet she doesn't help the poor. ठीक है, दो एंड yet. Though Maria is a millionaire, yet she never helps the poor. I don't know dash she will join us. I don't know whether she will join us or not. Whether she will join us or not. Sixth one. Dash do they run the resort? Dash offers spa services. Not only do they run the resort but also offer. Not only but also. Not only but also. 7. Miss Mabin purposely spoke louder. Dash people in ambush could hear it. Miss Mabin purposely spoke louder so that people in ambush. So that. The village head lent the farmer money. Dash he worked in his farm. The village farmer lent the farmer money. Village lent the farmer money. Dash he worked in his farm. As village head lent the farmer money as he worked in his farm. As भी आ सकता है. As. The village head lent the farmer money so that भी आ सकता है. So that है इसमें. The village head lent the farmer money in order that he worked in his farm. So that no. The village had lent the farmer money even if he worked in his farm. No. Money. As ही आना चाहिए. As the village had lent the farmer money as he worked in his farm, but they are used in as and as. As village had lent the farmer money, but here it is only one. So next one is dash she was sincere, her boss doubted her performance. As though she was sincere. Though she was sincere. Though she was sincere, yet her boss doubted her performance. As the village had lent the farmer money as he worked in his. The village had lent the farmer money as he worked in his farm. Now come to the ninth one. Even if she was sincere, even if she was sincere, her boss doubted her performance. Mom, let me know my responsibilities so that I can do my duties promptly. So that. Mom, let me know my responsibilities so that I can do my duties promptly. My father promised to take me to the fair if I would behave well. If I would behave well. He talks to everyone in an authoritative manner as if he is going to become the boss. As if. Ram dash is good at. So Ram and John is Ram as well as John. As well as John. 14 and 15. So she opened the door so that I called at the. She opened the door as if I called at the door. She opened the door as though I called at the. She opened the door as I called at the door. As soon as. As soon as. Then you are rebuking me dash I were the culprit. As if, as though. As if. So with this we have completed this chapter. You are rebuking me as though I were the. As though, as if. So these are the answers, and with this we have completed this chapter. Now we are going to start with the next chapter, that is direct and reported speech. So all of you do this exercise in your notebooks. I am going to write this. आप ये अपनी notebook में करेंगे. Do this in your notebook. In your fair notebooks. And complete all the work, whatever I have told you, because we have covered so many topics and still nobody is sending me the work. So whatever grammar work we are doing, so you are supposed to write the definitions, kinds, whatever I am explaining you from your book. That is why I am explaining you from your grammar book, because you can write it from there. So whatever topics I have covered, do it fast, complete your work. On 10th when you will come, on the very first day I am going to check your notebooks. So bring your reader notebooks completed so that I can just check. So the next lesson is direct and reported speech. So what is direct and reported speech? When do we use the reported speech? हम क्यों use करते हैं reported speech को? Can anybody tell me? We use reported speech when we have to report somebody's words to somebody else. हम रिपोर्ट कब करते हैं हम? जब हमें किसी की बात किसी को बतानी होती है. उसके दो तरीके हैं. या तो हम either we report, either we tell, speak the quoted words as the speaker has said. जैसा उसने बोला है हम वही quoted words बोल दें. That is called the direct speech. And the other way is that when we report the words spoken by the speaker in a indirect way, that is called indirect speech. So reported speech, direct and reported. Direct होता है, direct means quoted words. Indirect means उसके वर्ड्स को हम चेंज कर देते हैं, उसमें टेंस चेंज हो जाता है, उसमें नाउन प्रोनाउंस चेंज हो जाते हैं. तो वो चेंज करके मीनिंग सेम होता है, बट प्रोनाउन और जो टेंस होता है वो उसका चेंज हो जाता है. सो व्हेन डू वी यूज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच? सपोज समवन स्टेट्स आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर फॉर माई टेस्ट टुनाइट. किसी ने ऐसा बोला, ठीक है. Later in case we want to tell someone else what the first person said, just what I said you now, just now, कि reported speech वो होती है when somebody said, I said I'm going to teach you today this topic. So I told you this thing, you listened it, but now you want to tell the other student ask you what the matter, what the teacher has told. So you will report to him that what I have said. So either you will speak my quoted words, I will teach you, the teacher said I will teach you this topic today, or you can tell in a indirect way that teacher told that she will teach that topic today. So these are the two ways. Direct is when we speak the quoted words, indirect way when we are telling, reporting the words of the speaker in an indirect way. So later in case we want to tell someone else what the first person has said, we use reported speech where the statement of the first person is reported. Just the same thing which I have just told you is written here. How does one report the first person statement? अब हमने उस स्पीकर की बात कैसे बतानी है? We use a reporting verb. तो इसमें एक रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब होता है और रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच होती है. जो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है ही सेड या ही से या ही टेल, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. उसको हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब कहते हैं. इफ़ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज़ इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस, और अगर हमारा जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, तो जो हमारा टेंस होता है आगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का वो चेंज नहीं होता है. माइंड दिस थिंग. बट वी नीड टू चेंज द पर्सन फ्रॉम आई टू शी. बट जस्ट एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट पर्सन जो है, प्रोनाउन जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है. सो जस्ट रीड फॉर दिस फर्स्ट पेज, रीड कीजिए. कम ऑन फास्ट. Read the first page at 107. So once again you can check. First one is either or, second neither nor, not only but also, though, yet, whether, or, not only but also, again, so that, as if. The village head lent the farmer money as if he worked in his farm. Then even if, so that, if. 11th one is if. He talks to everyone in an authoritative way as though he is going to, right? Then 13th one as well as soon as, and as if. So do this work in your notebooks. Now we come to, I'm just giving you the introduction today, that is chapter number 18, direct and reported speech. Today I will just give you, this is part 1. I'm just introducing this topic, so you can start writing it. I have explained you what is direct and what is indirect. So I was telling you that we use a reporting verb in this, and reporting verb हमारा होता है like say or tell. And if the reporting verb is in the present tense, so we do not change the tenses in the reported speech. मतलब statement में हम फिर tense change नहीं करते अगर हमारा reporting verb present में होता है. But we need to change the person. But हमारा जो person है उसमें वो change हो जाता है, pronoun change हो जाते हैं. For example, direct speech, I like sweets and mangoes. I like sweets and mangoes. ये मैंने बोला. ठीक है. अब आपने किसी को बताना है, आपसे किसी ने पूछा that what she said, so you will say she said या she says that she likes sweets and mangoes. तो I क्या बन जाएगा? I बन जाएगा she. Mark the connecting word that between the reporting and the reported speech. तो हमारा जो इनडायरेक्ट होता है, जब हम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में लिखते हैं, जैसे देखो हम ये लेते हैं आई से तो नहीं है इसमें, नहीं, सिंपल लिखा है आई लाइक स्वीट्स. सपोज आई से आई लाइक sweets and mangoes. ये हमारी डायरेक्ट, दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. अब हमने इसे इनडायरेक्ट में करना है, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, यहाँ पे तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब नहीं लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको एक स्टेटमेंट दी है एंड यू हाउ यू विल से दिस थिंग इन अ रिपोर्टेड. शी सेज, हमने ये खुद लगा लिया. आई विल बी चेंज इनटू शी. शी सेज शी लाइक्ड, लाइक का लाइक बन जाएगा स्वीट्स एंड शी सेज दैट. दैट तो मैं लगाना ही भूल गई. इसमें इनडायरेक्ट में हमारे कंजंक्शन दैट जरूर लगता है. दैट शी लाइक्ड स्वीट्स एंड मैंगोज. क्लियर. आई का शी बन गया, लाइक का लाइक्ड. तो इसमें टेंसेस भी चेंज होते हैं, बट जैसे यहाँ पे सेज है तो यहाँ पे ये ही, क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस देन द टेंस विल नॉट चेंज, देन इट विल रिमेन लाइक ओनली, राइट. So read this chapter, go through this chapter, direct and indirect speech. So we will discuss tomorrow.